Hello, today I stripped my oil drain plug again. So I went to AutoZone, or Raleigh, I forgot, and purchased one of these screw extractor set. Because I trying to use one of these, but it's doesn't hold for some reason. So it's kind of stripped the bolt furthermore. So what I did was I used one of these tools, and as you can see on my 911, I used a 14mm wrench and then slowly guide that in, and as you can see, it's started coming out pretty good. So next time, don't touch it too tight. I think that's what I did. But here you go. As you can see, it's in there pretty tight. And this tool is the tool you want to use for your Cayenne or your 911.